Hello everyone, I want to welcome you back to my kitchen. So today we're going to be making a Pomodoro sauce, and that is an Italian tomato sauce that we can serve over pasta. But before we get into that recipe, I want to thank all my subscribers and viewers for all the support that you've given the channel. And as always, remember to hit that like button and ring that notification bell, so that way you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. So with that out the way, let's make some Pomodoro sauce, or Pomodoro sauce. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong, but let's get cooking. For our Pomodoro sauce, you're going to need the following: red onion, carrots, garlic, whole tomatoes, fresh or canned, olive oil, basil, and salt. If you enjoy my content and want to help support the channel, hit the join button below this video. So the first thing we need to do for our sauce is we need to crush up our tomatoes. And we're going to hand crush these. And I'm going to try and not make too big of a mess. Which, if y'all have been around long enough, you know it doesn't take much for that. So once I get these all hand crushed, we're going to then move on to the stove. So we have some olive oil heated up in a saucepan over a medium heat. And to this, we're going to add in our garlic. And all we want to do is just kind of toast it a bit for about a minute or so. And so, but just so to make you aware, you know, a Pomodoro sauce is an Italian tomato sauce. So, and it's quite authentic Pomodoro sauce. The way I understand it is made from, 5 specific ingredients. And that would be tomatoes, whether they're fresh or canned, olive oil, garlic, basil, and salt. And the onion parts are optional. So, and as you can see, I am just all tongue-tied today. They are slowly toasting up, because we don't really want to cook these, because what we're going to do is we're going to infuse the flavor of the garlic into the tomatoes. Alright, so now they've got a nice brown, So now what we're going to do, we're going to add in our tomatoes, which we've hand crushed, and you can pour them over your spoon, so that way you don't make a big mess. And give that a stir. Alright, and now we're going to add in our carrots. And our onions. And our basil. And we're going to add just a little bit more olive oil. Probably about 2 tablespoons. So we're going to let this come up to a light boil. Then we're going to turn it down to a simmer and put a lid on it and let it go for about 25 to 30 minutes till our carrots are soft. Alright, so this has been actually going about 40 minutes. So now what we're going to do is we're going to see if our carrots are tender. Oh yeah, they are good to go. So now we're going to remove them. We're going to remove all our vegetables. So trying not to make a mess. And if by some chance you happen to miss a few pieces, that's not going to be that big of a problem, because we will run this through an immersion blender to kind of smooth out the chunks. We dropped him back in there. So now that we have all our vegetables out of our sauce, we're going to run our immersion blender. And once we get through doing this, we're going to serve this up with some pasta. So we've got everything all plated up and ready to go. And we're going to add just a little bit of grated Parmesan. And give this a good mix. This really does smell good, by the way. Oops. Here we go. Making our mess already. Trying to get this all in the fork. Oh yeah, this is really, really good. Definitely recommend that y'all give this a try. Makes a great, quick, well, relatively quick, 30-45 minutes altogether. So I want to thank everybody for watching. As always, remember to hit that like and subscribe and notification bell, so that way you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos, some things that I'll be cooking up in the future. And as always, enjoy cooking in the kitchen. I'm just all tongue-tied today. So, but I'm going to finish up my pasta and Pomodoro sauce, and y'all have a good day.